This is the PrintPal CAD Agent. You describe a part in plain English, and it writes real printable CAD for you. Let me show you how to go from a sentence to an STL in about 2 minutes. There are 2 ways to work. Build mode is visual. Click and drag shapes in 3D. Code mode is the full OpenSCAD editor. And on the right, the AI agent works in either mode. That's what we'll use today. The golden rule? Be specific. Give it real dimensions and tolerances. I'll use this starter prompt, a 60 by 40 mounting plate with M3 counterboard holes. Notice it doesn't just dump code. It writes a brief committing to units and size, lays out a checklist, then generates the OpenSCAD and renders it right here in your browser. To change anything, just say so. Make the holes 4 millimeters. Add fillets. And it shows you exactly what changed. 2 things worth knowing. Auto-iterate lets the agent screenshot its own model and self-correct, and typing the @ symbol lets you reference a specific feature, parameter, or hardware part by name. You can also drag in a reference image. Engineering drawings with labeled dimensions give the best results. When you're happy, go to File, then Export, STL or 3MF for printing. 2 quick caveats. 1. You'll need to be signed in since each AI turn uses a few credits. 2. And this matters, always verify the output before you print or rely on it. The agent assumes millimeters and FDM-friendly defaults, but it's a starting point, not a stamp of approval. That's it. Describe, refine, export. Go build something.